All right, fellas, here you go. Air install, removal, new one on. We're gonna take this standard size off, put the mid-size on. A little bit of setup, just like you would with solvent tape, but my pump only works off the car cigarette lighter, so I got to do it out here at the car. But here's how easy this is. You take this one off. These are air installed, so everything goes quick now. So there's off. This is just blue painter's tape. 2 layers of that. So bing, bang, boom, took one off. Now we'll put the standard back on, or the standard new one on, and this is probably the part that takes the longest. It's just getting it started, just because it's hard to get that front bit. Here we go. Done. Ready to play. New grip, no slip, all good to go. So yeah, this is pretty good stuff.